In today's digital age, protecting crypto assets is crucial. One of the best ways to enhance security is by setting up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. First off, what is 2FA? It's an extra layer of security that requires not just a password but also something only the user has on them. This could be a text message, an email, or an authentication app. It's like having a double lock on your front door. To get started, choose an authentication method. Many people prefer using an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate a unique code every 30 seconds, making it harder for hackers to gain access. Once the app is installed, head over to your crypto exchange or wallet settings. Look for the security section, where you'll find the option to enable 2FA. Click that, and you'll usually be prompted to scan a QR code with your authentication app. After scanning, the app will generate a code. Enter that code back into the exchange or wallet to verify the setup. It's a quick process, but it adds a significant layer of security. Next, it's essential to back up your 2FA codes. Write them down and store them in a safe place. If you lose access to your phone, you'll need these codes to recover your account. Now, let's talk about SMS-based 2FA. While it's better than nothing, it's not the most secure option. Hackers can intercept text messages, so it's best to stick with app-based authentication whenever possible. Once 2FA is set up, remember to check your accounts regularly. Look for any suspicious activity. If something seems off, change your password immediately and consider updating your 2FA settings. Also, keep your devices secure. Use antivirus software, keep your operating system updated, and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and staying vigilant is key. Lastly, educate yourself about phishing attacks. These scams trick users into providing their login credentials. Always double-check URLs and avoid entering sensitive information on unfamiliar sites. In conclusion, setting up two-factor authentication is a simple yet effective way to protect crypto assets. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping funds safe. So, take the time to enable 2FA today and enjoy peace of mind knowing your investments are better protected. Stay safe out there, and happy trading. Thanks for watching the Crypto Academy 101. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.